Are you worried Garmin might ditch the beloved MIP display for the Fenix E? Well, hold on to your hats. Recent leaks reveal that not only are MIP displays here to stay, but we've got exclusive live images of the stunning new models that will blow your mind. Let's dive into the exciting details. Great news for Garmin fans. With the Fenix 8 series, you no longer have to choose between aesthetics and battery life. Recent leaks reveal that the series will offer both MIP and AMOLED display options, giving you the best of both worlds. Introducing the Garmin Fenix 8 series, a watch built to complement your active lifestyle. Garmin recognizes that display preferences vary, so they're offering two distinct options. MIP for those who prioritize classic looks and extended battery life, and AMOLED for those who crave vibrant colors and sharp contrast. This flexibility allows you to select a watch that truly matches your personal style. The Fenix 8 series not only promises functionality, but also a personalized experience tailored to your tastes. The series is available in three sizes: -43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, ensuring a perfect fit for any wrist. Whether you prefer a smaller, more discreet watch face or a larger, more prominent one, Garmin has a size that suits you. This range of sizes makes the Fenix 8 series accessible to everyone, focusing on what really matters: tracking your activities, staying connected, and enjoying the features that enhance your life. When it comes to battery life, the Fenix 8 series excels. The 51mm Solar Edition can last up to 48 days in smartwatch mode, giving you nearly 7 weeks of use without needing to recharge. With solar charging, the watch's battery life extends even further, making it ideal for long adventures or busy lifestyles. Forget about daily charging and enjoy the freedom to focus on your passions. The Fenix 8 series also brings larger, improved displays with slimmer bezels, offering a bigger and clearer watch face. The AMOLED option elevates the experience with its rich colors and high contrast, providing an immersive viewing experience whether you're checking notifications, tracking workouts, or simply telling the time. Garmin has truly paid attention to the details, creating a display that is both functional and visually stunning. This series is packed with features designed to enhance your outdoor adventures. For divers, the Scuba Dive feature tracks and logs your underwater activities, allowing you to relive your experiences. Stay connected on the go with hands-free calling and voice assistant features, and benefit from the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, which offers more accurate heart rate monitoring. These features make the Fenix 8 series an indispensable tool for outdoor and fitness enthusiasts alike. In summary, the Garmin Fenix 8 series is a must-have for anyone passionate about the outdoors or committed to their fitness journey. With its remarkable battery life, eye-catching display options, and cutting-edge features, this watch is designed to keep up with even the most active lifestyles. Whether you're a runner, hiker, diver, or someone seeking a dependable, feature-rich smartwatch, the Fenix 8 series has something for everyone. Garmin has truly raised the bar with this latest release, and it's exciting to think about all the adventures you'll embark on with it.